Hey guys, it's Richie. Welcome to Editing 101 Lesson 7. I'm sorry for not making a tutorial for a long time, also not making an edit. But yeah, I'm going to make a, what's it called? A promo for the community montage, so you can call that an edit. Then I'll make the community montage and I'll make an episode 2 in the meantime if I want to. But today we will be talking about Element 3D and how to make 3D text. I will be very basic about this. I will not cover all of the extra effects or extra stuff with Element. You can get Element 3D on Video Copilot's website. It's a paid plugin, but you can get it illegally if you want. Just create a new composition. We'll start, and I'll do this very quickly. And I want to do this with every tutorial of mine, not to talk about random stuff. Call it Element 3D, and just be as efficiently as possible. So go to the Elements plugin, drag it over to this solid over here. You need a solid to apply the plugin. Go to Scene Setup, and this is the interface. So this is how Elements 3D comes together, kinda. But just cancel for now because we need to create a text first. Go to Layer, New Texts, and then type whatever you want. I'll call it Elements. Hide it because you don't want to see it anymore. Go to the Elements layer again and go to Custom Layers, Custom Text and Masks, Path Layer 1. Make it Elements. It's the text layer. And go to Scene Setup again and then hit the Extrude button. Now you will see this 3D text right here and you can move around. This is just a preview. This is not how it will look in your composition. Now the left mouse is to rotate around it. The right mouse is to move the environment, which is how it will reflect. And the middle mouse is to zoom in. But let's make it like this. Okay, so if you want to, you can use presets, like presets from with bevels, like here. This is blue, bold, carved, caution, century. You can also create your own one, and that is what we will do. So this is how you will do it. If you look closely, you'll see that the front is beveled, it's rounded, but the back side is not beveled, and you can fix that. So if you want the back side to be the same, go to the bevel right here, click on it, and check the checkbox called Bevel Backside. Now the backside is also beveled. And if you want to make this inner and outer look like all these bevels have in the presets, we will only make an inner and outer, like these one have 3 layers, but we will use 2 layers. Go to the extrusion model, then go to bevel copies and click 2. Now you have two layers, kinda, 2 objects of the 3D text. And as you can see, the second object needs to be fixed too with the backside. We did that, and now we will create the inner and the outer. If you right click on the bevel, or just the object, you can rename it. So let's call this outer, and let's call this inner. Yeah, okay, so now click on your inner, and the extrude is how long it is, and we want to make it longer. We want to make it 1.20. Then we want to make it smaller, so it will be a real inner object. So go to expand edges and make it minus 0.20, and now as you can see, it's really an inner object. But we want it to be in the middle, so we want to move it in the z-axis. We want to move it back, so move it back by minus 0.10, which will be the middle. And now it looks perfectly. And now you can apply any material you want. I have also the Pro Shaders pack, which is a paid pack from Video Copilot 2, but you get these 20 default materials with the plugin for free. Well, if you buy the plugin. And I will use these ones. So for the outer one, I will use the outside glow, and for the inner one, I will use the chrome. And this looks just badass. So now you're done with shaping the 3D text. You can click on OK, and you will see your text in your composition. Now you can create a camera, and you're basically done. Now you can move around and do whatever you want, what you would do normally with a 2D text, like 2D but 3D, you know what I mean. And yeah, I'll show you how to go to the properties of this object. Just go to group 1, particle replicator, and this is the x and y coordinates, and this is the z coordinates. And if you want to increase the size, go to the particle look, and you can increase the size right here. And one small tip: if you want to smooth the edges, like you can see, the edges are a little bit jagged, and if you want to make it a little bit smoother, you can use aliasing. It's included in this plugin. Go to output, sampling and aliasing, and you can increase the super sampling to 8, for instance, and it will smooth it out a little bit. You can also increase this, which makes the whole thing a little bit blurrier. It's kind of a cheat. Like if I make this a lot, it takes a lot of processing power, so I'll just stop this. But this is how you make it, and now you can make your own. You can also change the text right here if I make this visible for now, and it will automatically change it in real time. So if I call this Richie, you see, it's a big Richie now. Oh, this looks cool. Sexy. Anyway, this is how you do it, and you can also use it in 3D motion tracked cinematics. Yeah, hope you guys have learned this now, and you can make some awesome 3D text. Get the plugin. You can get it in any way you want, paid or illegal. If you have any suggestions about further tutorials, just go to my Facebook page for this tutorial series. The link is in the description, or just put it in a comment section. I will check it out. Also, I will not be doing a tutorial every Wednesday and Sunday like the intro says. For now, I will have to make a new intro because yeah, it's just too much for me. I really want to make these tutorials once in I don't know, once a week or once a 2 weeks thing. So it was it, guys. I'll see you guys later. Peace.